Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ANOFENG 4-in-1 portable, 23,000 mAh, car air compressor with jump starter, 150 PSI air pump, 12-volt jump box car battery. Jump starter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. 4-in-1, multi-function yet portable. The ANOFENG jump starter integrates 4 functions: car jump starter, 150 PSI air compressor, portable 23,000 mAh power bank and an LED flashlight with 3 modes: stable, strobe, SOS. When you have drained batteries on a road trip, you don't have to wait hours for someone for help on desolate interstates with this jump box packed in handy case. High performance jump starter. Powerful and safe. With boosted 2000 amp peak current, the ANOFENG PS211 portable car jump starter can easily restart your 12-volt vehicles, specially for up to 7.5 L gas. 5.5 L diesel, even at -4 to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, supports more than 1000 plus recharge cycles. This jump start battery pack can start a vehicle up to 40 times on a single charge. A go-to solution for instant jump starts, like motorcycles, cars, SUVs, trucks, and lawn mowers. Compact and portable. The tire pump is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. Its size strikes the ideal balance between portability and functionality, allowing you to take it anywhere. Whether you keep it in a backpack, attach it to your bike, or store it in your car, it's hassle-free. This makes it perfect for emergencies, outdoor activities, and camping trips. With this pump, you have the perfect size and power, eliminating the need for frequent trips to fill your tires. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.